Welcome, welcome. We are back at it. One more, a good one, an upgrade. I am Omar Stennett. This is I Am Sure Sports. They also call me Man is Man. Again, let me say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are watching from. I am so delighted that you have joined us for one more episode, for one little video. Yes, we really appreciate all the love and the support we have gotten since we have started this movement. Now, if you're here for the first time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell somebody else about it and let them subscribe as well. We have very good, wholesome sporting content. We cover a wide range of sporting activities and events. And so you can just tune in here. We do it with fun, we do it with humor, we do it with excellent, and we provide credible information. All right, but today I want to share with you quickly about one of our reggae boys. Yes, that boy is that man, that monster of a center forward is Mikel Antonio, who plays for West Ham in the EPL. All right. They played a game today against Leicester City and they won by 4 goals to 1. That's West Ham winning that game by 4 goals to 1. Mikel Antonio scored 2 goals, right? And this is very, very significant. Why? It is significant because coming into the season, he was just 1 goal behind Eric Cantona. In the first game that West Ham played, they played against Newcastle. And in that game, Mikel Antonio equaled the club record for goal scoring by Eric Cantona at West Ham when he scored in that game. So they were both tied on 47 goals. So he came into this game against Leicester knowing that if he scored a goal, he would go past Eric Cantona. Of course, you know that Eric Cantona, Manchester United fans know him as well. Legend, Italian, great footballer, right? And you know Mikel Antonio, he came up through the ranks. Wasn't really highly rated, never always played in this position. Man, but he has done so well, has had several injuries. Today, however, he scored 2 more goals, moving his tally to 49 goals, surpassing Eric Cantona. Congratulations, Mikel Antonio. And so my whole hope and my desire is that he will bring this form into the World Cup qualifiers. Yes, to bring this form into the World Cup qualifiers. Meaning when we go up against Mexico in the Azteca on the 2nd of September 2021, that this form that he displays in the EPL will come into that game and he can score a couple for Jamaica, helping us to defeat Mexico in Mexico as we get ready to go to the Qatar World Cup. What do you say? So congratulations to Mikel Antonio. Good performance. Congratulations to his team. They are leading the Premier League. In fact, on goal difference over Chelsea, they are on 6 points. Several teams are on 6, but they are at the top of the table. They had a good season last season. And my hope is that he stays in good health, because the one thing that has always affected him is being able to play consistently throughout the season, because he's what you'd call sometimes an injury prone player. So we're hoping that he stays healthy for West Ham's sake, but for the Reggae Boys' sake. Again, congratulations to Mikel Antonio for hitting a double today, helping West Ham to defeat Leicester City, but also moving his goal scoring tally to 49. Now he's a record goal scorer there at West Ham in the Premier League. A Reggae Boy. Can you believe that? Did we ever think a Jamaican player would be able to reach to these heights? Congratulations. Jamaica up there on the map again. Listen, remember, if this is your first time to the channel, subscribe, like, and share. I am Omar Stennett. This is I Am Sure Sports. We are over and we are out. No doubt.